On today's episode, we got a tool tip for you. And I'm going to talk about a few other things as well. Hey everyone, welcome back to The Everyday Makers. My name's Dan. Thanks for watching today. Today I don't necessarily have a making video per se or DIY video. I've been doing some stuff around the shop and around the house lately, the past couple weeks while we've been in quarantine / lockdown, whatever you want to call it. And I find myself using this more and more. So it's just kind of a tool tip or tool suggestion for the day. And this is a dentist's pick with a little right angle on one side and just a straight on the other side. I picked this up at the farm show that we have here in Peoria. At one of the booths, it was like $1. You can get them on Amazon for $5-6. But I would recommend, if this is something that you want, which I highly recommend, I use it. I use it more than I thought I ever would. Yeah, I recommend going to the farm show and picking one up for $1. And you'll find yourself using it more and more as well. Today also, just wanted to kind of do a poll about what the next video should be. I got a couple projects lined up. Wanted to get everyone's opinion. Made a post the other day about this little storage box that I just finished up for a friend of mine. I've got another one that someone else wants me to make, so I have that. I also just bought, I will turn you guys a little bit here. I also just bought this old Briggs & Stratton engine that I'm going to refurbish. I'm going to tear it down, clean it up, repaint it, get it working. It turns over and everything, but I need to, I just want to get it cleaned up. So. And then I'm also think I'm going to build more of these shelves in my basement. You can see back over my shoulder there. I've got some drums and stuff sitting on the ground. I'm going to build another set of shelves down there. So I can do a video on that too. So if you have a suggestion or any input or something you want to see, just let me know. Drop me a line in the comments. And hope you all are having a great Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.